freaking story.
That's how we coming.
That's how you coming, yo?
That's how we coming. You know. I don't know how many feet this is. It's damn near taller than me. Come on. How much merch you got? About 5'11" worth. By myself for nothing. You know. You know.
You know.
First sneaker convention today, by myself for nothing. Hey, shout out BZ here in Atlanta. You know. I know he wish he could be here, but got Brazi with me. You know how that go.
You know, we right, man.
Color with me.
I'll be talking about shit, man.
We
I'm on the way to go make some magic happen. You know what I'm saying?
This
Going back to the home of Jersey, man. You know what I'm saying? We ready to go make this shit happen.
Who is it? Yeah, we rolling. That's my boy AR. He just poured up.
Shit, what the fuck happened, AO?
Man, I got pulled over by a fucking cop.
8 o'clock.
I'm kind of glad we don't have 6 people.
I'm saying, we got Chucky with us today though. Film my art. And I'm shooting a music video today. Live for this. I'm ready. Shooting at a sneaker convention. That's about to be crazy. Having a full moon at a convention, bro. Nah, bro, you tripping.
I don't know.
I don't got that shit. Look, full moons about to be available for pre-order at a sneaker convention. Yeah, we about to attend JusNice sneaker convention in Wildwood, New Jersey. So shout out JusNice. We're gonna have the full moons available for pre-order. First time at a convention. You know, we done vended mad times, but for our shoes to be like at a convention, that's different. You know, so today gonna be exciting. And I'm happy we get to, you know, catch it on camera. We got the full moon, you know, we got the slides in here. All types of slides by myself. We got the swim trunks in here, some hoodies. You know, fall, winter, right around the corner. Oh, you know we got the personal favorites. You know we got the wristbands on that. All type of wristbands. All type of stuff. It's what the people really like. Even if you don't buy anything, if you get one of these, you're gonna probably wear it so you can't see the color.
Hey, Kyle,
no more.
did you get that joint from Vic? Spoken in this truck? No, spoken in this truck.
The easy pass.
No, first time y'all seen me on the camera, I probably looked confused because I saw all of this. And I ain't noticed the camera, so I probably had a confused look.
Hey, they said how much merch we got. I said
we got a lot.
About 5'11" worth.
We got a lot. We got unlimited pre-orders. So
Unlimited pre-orders. That's
pre-order.
You can't see for real.
Pre-order. And don't get it twisted. I got these on right now. My full moons in the car. You feel me? I'm gonna put them on when I get up there. You know.
I slept with mine on, so. You know, like that first day of school, when your fit be like right there on the bed. That was me this morning.
That's crazy.
I woke up like, I already know what I'm wearing and shit. You know what I'm wearing. And I knew what I was drinking. This shit gonna be a movie today. That shot was for B, cause B not here. Cause by myself global, when you got 3 of the wolf, you could be 3 places at one time. You know? Brazi, the ambassador. With a capital T, capital B, D.
For life, man. Lifestyle.
For life.
Ambassador, you dig what I'm saying?
You dig?
It's an honor. First time in the contract. You know what I'm saying? I'm a damn celebrity. You made me a celebrity. You did
We
it.
made him a celeb. You heard him.
He said they made you a celebrity?
Turn me to a celebrity, bro.
They said you the ambassador for By Myself?
Everywhere I go.
Everybody got their life.
Everywhere I go, as long as
Yeah, I got
I
my
got
life.
things on you, I mean, they gonna be like,
They
where you
brought
from,
this, bro.
what you did. I
No,
do music,
I don't got
I
my
rock
life.
the full moons, I'm by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, this yours.
Tell the phone, man. You go global. Hey, I'm taking some cards too, bro. I'm taking cards.
Right?
Yeah. Is the By Myself cards?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's hard. That's icy.
Oh, yeah, you could twist the bottom.
I did.
I guess I'm lucky. Ages for my art, Calvin feeling like I'm Chucky. Do it purpose, I'm out of here. Bump, go get the mirror. I took a break, but I'm back. I'm really lit for this. By myself, I'm real, man. That's bad.
I see how you do it. Yo, I think that stabilizer, you really got like a button on there when you like move it.
So he said, oh yeah, the way I move.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Exactly.
Hey, you gotta flow with it for real.
You wanna go first, or you good? Just showing the process. Not the
Full moons.
You gotta get that.
Wait. Why does one shoe look bigger than the other? Oh, no, I'm not. That shit
Y'all
looks...
said hot as hell. Damn, I took my girl box. I meant to switch it up.
Oh, you don't got recession lyrics.
Yeah, man.
AR about to pull out. It's about to be lit. I don't know why he ain't just back in. I mean, he did back in, but I don't know why he ain't just leave the trunk out. Real niggas always back in though. That's a fact. About to load it up.
Shout out to the supporters of Bymyself, bro.
Shout out to all of them.
We hope to see y'all today at the convention center.
Hope so.
We gonna have the trunk. We gonna have the slides for y'all. We gonna have the shoes out. We not selling the shoes.
Pre-orders.
We doing pre-orders today.
For the Wolfpack collection.
So if you there, you're not there, man, place your pre-order. If you see this later, now or later, then here, before, place your order. For all 3 shoes, right?
All 3.
All 3 shoes, man. They ain't doing it like this in Baltimore.
They not. Ain't doing like this anywhere, for real.
They ain't doing it like this in Baltimore.
Nah, remember when we went to Fashion Week the first time? Yeah. Nigga, you barely fit in the back. I think.
Yeah, I know. Safe, nigga.
Drink water, not no soda. That shit stink. That's the outer.
Start your song real quick.
That shit motor. Nah, bro, don't be doing that shit. Gotta respect my residents, bro. Road after road and show after show.
Nah, I think the car just turned off. This shit be too smart for its own good.
Oh shit, I think it just turned. It opened back up.
What'd you say, Chucky?
I was telling you to like open it back up real fast for real.
It's like a.
It's like an automatic
It's an
thing.
automatic thing, so it's.
Yeah,
Oh, shit.
I can't do nothing about it. It's going. By myself, girl, it's going. Hey, look, I took a break, but I'm back. I really live for this.